Destination holds within it the allure of the unknown, the promise of adventure, and the gateway to new experiences. It beckons us to step out of our comfort zones and explore the wonders that lie beyond. Whether it's a far-off land, a bustling city, or a serene natural landscape, destinations have the power to captivate our senses and ignite our curiosity. They offer a chance to immerse ourselves in different cultures, taste exotic flavors, witness breathtaking sights, and create lifelong memories. Each destination holds its own charm, waiting to be discovered and cherished, enriching our lives with every journey we embark upon. Don't stop challenging yourself. It pushes us beyond our comfort zones, igniting a fire within to reach new heights. Every challenge encountered becomes an opportunity for learning, self-discovery, and transformation. By persistently seeking challenges, we evolve and adapt, unlocking untapped potential. It cultivates a mindset of continuous improvement, propelling us forward on the path of success. So let us embrace the unknown, conquer our fears, and welcome challenges with open arms, for within them lies the key to our true potential. Facing failure is an inevitable part of life's journey, but it is in these moments that our true strength and resilience are tested. Failure teaches us valuable lessons, pushing us to learn, grow, and adapt. It is not a sign of defeat, but rather an opportunity for introspection and self-improvement. By embracing failure and acknowledging our mistakes, we can gain a deeper understanding of our limitations and discover new paths to success. Failure fuels determination and fuels the fire of perseverance, reminding us that setbacks are stepping stones on the road to achievement. It is through facing failure that we uncover our true potential and emerge stronger than before. A successful mindset is the foundation upon which achievements are built. It is a mindset that embraces optimism, resilience, and a belief in one's own abilities. Those with a successful mindset view challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. They cultivate a positive attitude, focusing on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. They set clear goals, create actionable plans, and persevere in the face of obstacles. A successful mindset also involves self-discipline, self-motivation, and a willingness to step out of the comfort zone. It is a mindset that understands that success is not an endpoint, but a continuous journey of improvement and personal development. The effect of negative self-talk is horrible. Self-doubt and negative self-talk can erode confidence and hinder progress. It is important to cultivate a positive mindset and practice self-compassion. Move yourself, improve yourself. Don't stop dreaming. Think about your goals. Leave your comfort zone. Left laziness. Just look at and first mark you mistakes. Go with passion. Understand your power. Fight with yourself. Fight with your comfort zone. Fight with everything which is stopping you. Go ahead and hunt your goals.